Hey, TGO Traders, Wiz here with Wednesday's Market SITREP, and yesterday's Market SITREP was titled Mixed Messages, and we could copy and paste that same headline for today. Why? The Bernanke is testifying in front of Congress today, and he is doing, in fact, that, sending mixed messages. Hey, we're on no preset course as far as when we're going to end our asset purchases or increase interest rates, but very interesting. He did admit that, an unemployment rate drop due simply to the just absolute implosion of labor force participation wouldn't necessarily drive the committee to raise interest rates. So if we see 6.5% handle with unemployment, that might not necessarily be a good thing, right? That might be because a lot of people are getting shafted due to Obamacare and thrown on part-time jobs, or people are just, going on Social Security disability or food stamps, throwing up their hands in the air and just saying, you know what, give up, can't find work. So the committee's going to have to really take a look at the data deeply to figure out if the drop to 6.5% would be good news. But, there's always a but, like we talked about, or a comma when he says something. Hey, we're going to do this, however, but, comma. But things aren't good, right? Unemployment's still high. It's only declining gradually, and inflation is actually really low, and we're looking at a potentially deflationary environment. A highly accommodative monetary policy will remain appropriate for this foreseeable future. So there's your but. And just in case we're wrong about everything, of course, economic forecasts must be revised when new information arrives, and thus are provisional. So there you go. There's the we're half pregnant at the Fed speech and him testifying in front of Congress today. So the market's kind of mixed. They know that bizarro market is going to end eventually, maybe in the fall or early winter, but it's not ending right now. So we have this kind of porridge market right now where we're still getting that $85 billion a month in liquidity pumped in, but we know it's going to end, and this economy is going to have to stand on its own or not, or the economy sucks and the Bernanke's going to hang out for a while. So I think after this little hiccup of uncertainty and kind of a flat market today, I think we do ultimately end up going higher, melting higher, but not raging higher. But we physically have to melt up just because of what the Fed's doing. But again, folks, just like what's his name? William Duvall in Apocalypse Now, after the napalm strike, he said, you know what? Someday this is all going to end. And then he got up and walked away. And someday this is all going to end. And here at Top Gun Options, we're definitely going to be hedged and ready to go and potentially profit on no matter what the Fed does. And that's the beauty of trading options, is we can potentially make money if the market goes up, down, or sideways. Okay, so there you go. There's the half-pregnant speech from the Bernanke, and we're going to melt higher. But still, in Q2 earnings season, we're going to see some pretty serious swings in volatility, especially this week with a lot of the financials reporting. Okay, so I'll be back with tomorrow's SITREP. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll see you.